Hello. 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 Shall we start? It's already 4. Organizers, shall we start?
হয় মেম আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিব পাৰো মেম আজি
I'm not getting any voice. I'm not getting any voice.
Hello ma'am. Hello. Hello ma'am.
Anal, I'm not getting your voice.
Hello ma'am.
Baki bilake kunbai kiba koasun Himadri, Tritideep.
Hello.
Kiba koasun.
Hello.
Everyone, please switch on your camera. Please switch on your camera. Okole camera to on korilua, though it is a online class, but we will try to make it more interactive, right? So please switch on your camera.
Hello.
And please say something. Moi karu voice poa nai. Mur voice to jodi pai ase, moi kintu karu voice poa nai.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello ma'am. Good ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Momi Bormon kiba koa. Hello, hi kiba koa. Moi karu voice poa nai.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Iman bear yung mga rusot na kayo. Loya to matapot. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. It's already 4.
মেম এবাৰ কাট খাই গৈছিলে সব একবাৰ ওলাই গৈছে মই গ্ৰুপত মেছেজটা দি দিও আপুনি 2 মিনিট ৰৈ দিওক
Sure.
হয় মেম আমি আৰম্ভ কৰিব পাৰো
ঠিক আছে
মেম সকলোকে আমাৰ এই বিদ্যাৰ্থী অনলাইন ক্লাছলৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছো আজি আমি যোৱা বছৰো আমি একেই কাৰ্যসূচী লৈছিলো আৰু এই বছৰো আমি পুনৰবাৰ বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় আইন মহাবিদ্যালয় আছুগুটে এই কাৰ্যসূচী হাতত লৈছো আৰু আজি আমি প্ৰথম BLLB এৰ গাইডেন্স ক্লাছটো আৰম্ভ কৰিব লৈছো আৰু আমাৰ মাজত ৰিসোৰ্স পাৰ্সন হিচাপে উপস্থিত আছে আমাৰ শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ ডক্টৰ জুৰি গোস্বামী বাইদেউ আৰু তেখেত জেবি ল কলেজৰ বৰ্তমান এসিস্ট্যান্ট প্ৰফেসৰ লগতে তেখেত NLUৰ পৰা PhD ডিগ্ৰীধাৰী আৰু ইয়াৰ পিছতে আমি ক্লাছটো চলাই নিবলৈ মেমক অনুৰোধ জনাইছো
ধন্যবাদ বিদ্যাসাৰথীৰ এই প্ৰশংসনীয় পদক্ষেপত যোগদান কৰিবলৈ পাই মই অত্যন্ত সুখী আৰু যিসকলে আছুগুটৰ আমাৰ ভাইটিসকলে যিসকলে এই কাৰ্যসূচীটো যোৱা বছৰৰ দৰে এই বছৰো চলাই নিয়াৰ আশাৰে বা আৰম্ভ কৰাৰ আশাৰে তেওঁলোকে যি এটা সুন্দৰ পদক্ষেপ যোৱাবাৰো লৈছিলে এইবাৰো লৈছে তাক সঁচাকৈ শলাগিবলগীয়া আৰু মোক তেওঁলোকে যোৱাবাৰ বিচাৰিছিলে মই তেওঁলোকক মোৰ চেষ্টা যিমানখিনি পাৰো মোৰ সাধ্য অনুসাৰে ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলক অকমান সহায় কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিছিলো এই মাধ্যমৰ জৰিয়তে আৰু এইবাৰো তেওঁলোকে মোক বিচাৰিছে তাৰ বাবে বিদ্যাসাৰথীৰ প্ৰতিজন মোৰ মৰমৰ ভাইটিলৈ মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা অত্যন্ত ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো আৰু আৰম্ভ কৰিবলৈ লৈছো আমি এন্ট্ৰেন্স ৰিলেটেড লেচনছ এণ্ড ডিছকাশ্যনৰ প্ৰথমটো সেশন কৰ্মকৰ্তাসকলৰ লগত ভাইটিসকলৰ লগত আলোচনাৰ ভিত্তিত তেওঁলোকে মোক ইংৰাজী বিষয়টোৰ ওপৰত বিশেষভাৱে গুৰুত্ব আৰোপ কৰিবলৈ কৈছে আৰু গোটেই যিখন সিলেবাস আমাৰ BLLBৰ যিখন সিলেবাসত তোমালোকে নিজৰ পৰীক্ষাত অৱতীৰ্ণ হ'ব লাগিব যিখন সিলেবাসৰ ভিত্তিত সেই সিলেবাসখনৰ এটা সম্যক ধাৰণা তোমালোকক দিবলৈ মোক অনুৰোধ জনাইছিলে আৰু সেইমতে মই আগবাঢ়িম বুলি ভাবিছো প্ৰথমতে welcome you all in the first session of the Vidya Sarathi. I'm Dr. Juri Goswami. I'm going to start the first session of this entrance related lessons and discussions. So for the first, at the outset, clear hobo bisarisu, is there anyone who do not understand Assamese in this platform? Is there anyone who do not understand Assamese? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay, fine. So I will try to explain the things in both the languages, right? Not an issue. Okay. So first of all, actually, it's not possible to cover up the syllabus within 1 hour, right? But what I can do within this 1 hour, I can tell you what is the part. That is the part, what will be your syllabus that you should know that you have to study for your upcoming entrance related exam. What is the syllabus? Because you have passed out your HS. Right? Higher secondary 12th examination, you all of have been passed. Now it is your next level. So everything you have already studied up to your 12th. Whatever in our syllabus, everything you have already studied. So I'm, first of all, I would like to request every one of you, please note down the syllabus first. Please note down the syllabus. What that entrance examination will cover. A entrance examination কি বিষয় সামৰি লব তাৰ ওপৰত প্ৰথমতে তোমালোকে লিখি লোৱা syllabus খন. Please note down the syllabus. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rizal,
Yes, ma'am.
Rishmi, Moni, Prastuti,
Yes, ma'am.
Tutu, Rahman, everyone ready,
Yes.
right, Srishti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Jyoti, Himadri, please switch on your camera. Okay, fine. First subject that is very, very necessary to become a lawyer. You are going to study law. Tomaloke ki poriboloi goi asa? Law poriboloi goi asa. The most important subject that you have to focus on, that is English, right? So under the subject English, heading English, what are the subtopics that is must that you have to study for the upcoming entrance examination? Tumalukor English of tumaluke ki poribo lagibo, please note it down. First is comprehension. First, comprehension. Mizanur likhisa, Ankita likhisa. Devalina, Gitashri likhisa. First is comprehension. Next, idiom and phrases. Idiom and phrases. Next, preposition. 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 Next, synonym and antonyms. Synonym and antonyms. Last, correct tense. Correct tense. Madhurima likhibo parisa?
Ma'am, last to ki kole? After
Correct.
synonyms and antonyms?
Correct tense. Correct tense. Correct tense. Again, I am repeating the same thing. Comprehension, idioms and phrases, preposition, synonyms and antonyms, and correct tense. Done? Vicky, Rahul, Pratiti, Barnali, hoi gol likha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next subject, maths. Next subject, maths. What you have to cover for
Ma'am,
maths.
narration nalage niki?
Nalage. Moi jikhini koisu, that is enough. Moi jikhini koisu, that is the syllabus. That is the final syllabus that I'm giving. Under mathematics, please write percentage. Percentage. Number 1. Number 2, ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion. Third, average.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. Average. Masuma likhibo parisa? Kakoli?
Yes.
Average. Next, profit and loss. Profit and loss.
Okay, ma'am.
Profit and
Okay,
loss.
Okay, ma'am. Next, ma'am.
Huh?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Next topic, work time distance. Work time distance. And speed. And speed. Work time distance and speed. Next, probability. Probability. Probability.
Okay, done.
Next, number system. Number system. Next, simplification. Next, simplification.
Next, ma'am.
Bardali, please switch on your camera and tell me what you have written. Barnali, please switch on your camera and tell me what you have written for maths.
Ma'am, percentage, ratio and proportion, average, profit and loss, work, time, distance and speed, probability, number system, simplification.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Next subject, reasoning. Please don't create disturbance. Next is reasoning. Reasoning. First, under reasoning, first topic, analogy test. Next, coding, decoding. Coding, decoding. Next, series. Series.
मम्मी मुझे कुतिया की पूछ खानी है। मम्मी मुझे कुतिया की पूछ खानी है। मतलब एक बार मुझे प्रधानमंत्री बनने दो इस देश का। पूरे हिंदुस्तान में हर घर में पैसों के पेड़ लगवा दूंगा। सवेरे सवेरे उठ के
मैम देन
Coding, decoding series done.
Yes, ma'am.
Direction sense. Direction sense test. Direction sense test. Direction sense test.
Okay, done, ma'am.
Blood relation. Blood relation. Next, analytical and logical reasoning. Analytical and logical reasoning.
Pardon, ma'am?
Analytical and logical reasoning.
मैम देन
Next subject,
खुद बर्बाद
computer.
हो गया साला।
computer.
मेरे तो खुद जिंदगी लुट चुकी है।
Next subject, computer.
Analyzing and
कैसे हुआ साला मेरी जिंदगी का।
Analytical and logical reasoning. Please don't create disturbance. Please don't create disturbance.
And logical.
Analytical and
Logical reasoning.
Ma'am, is this enough for reasoning?
Yes, this is enough for reasoning. Next subject, computer. Dorothy, Rishita, Tritideep. Likhi asa everyone writing?
Yes, ma'am.
yes मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Computer, basic computer knowledge. Basic computer knowledge. Next, general knowledge. General knowledge. Comma, current affairs. Comma, Assam history. Comma, Assam polity. Next, Assam geography. And the last topic is Assam literature.
Hello. Excuse me, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Myself Anurag. Ma'am, please ever repeat কৰিব পাৰিব নেকি?
কোনখিনি repeat কৰিম?
Basic computer knowledge.
কম্পিউটাৰৰ আন্ডাৰত জাস্ট বেসিক কম্পিউটাৰ নলেজ, বেলেগ একো নাই।
তাৰপিছত জেনাৰেল নলেজ আৰু কি কৈছিলে আপুনি ম্যাম?
জেনাৰেল নলেজ, কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স, আসাম হিস্ট্রি, আসাম পলিটি, আসাম জিওগ্রাফি, আসাম লিটারেচার।
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
यस,
माइसेल्फ अनुराग मैम। मैंने थोड़ा लेट से ज्वाइन किया, मतलब लिंक थोड़ा लेट से मिला, तो मैं स्टार्टिंग से नहीं लिख पाया। तो क्या मुझे ये मतलब वापस मिलेगा ये सब?
तुमने कहाँ से लिखा, कहाँ तक, कहाँ से?
मैंने परसेंटेज रेशियो, देन उसके बाद डायरेक्टली प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, देन वर्क टाइम, डिस्टेंस एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी।
तुमने बस इंग्लिश वाला
हेलो
मैम, मैं probability পৰা লিখিছো মেম।
Ma'am,
again
repeat কৰিব পাৰিব?
Probability পৰা লিখিছা? Okay. আৰু এবাৰ let me finish. Let me finish এবাৰ.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, ma'am.
GK, current affairs, Assam history, Assam polity, Assam geography, Assam literature. Done?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Assam literature, Assam geography pisot last topic. After Assam geography, Assam literature.
Okay, done, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you tell me that what is called mark kiman mark korpora ahibo ko paribo apni means kuntu part pora kiman mark ahibo?
It's not decided. It's not decided yet, right? So this is the syllabus. এখন হৈছে syllabus. এই syllabus খিনি তুমি পঢ়ি আহিবা আৰু accordingly তোমালোকৰ এইখিনি টপিকৰ ওপৰতে questions থাকিব. This is the exact syllabus that I am giving it to you, and whatever the questions you will get in your question paper.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
These topics only. Now for the latecomers, again I am repeating the same thing, but I may go first, so please note it down, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Rishita, please switch on your camera and tell me what we have to cover under English. Rishita?
Yes, ma'am. English, we have comprehension, idioms and phrases, prepositions, synonyms and antonyms, and correct tense.
Comprehension, idiom and phrases, preposition, synonym and antonym, correct tense.
Yes, ma'am.
Latecomers done?
Ma'am, sorry, and after antonym, I didn't get it.
Correct tense.
So comprehension, idiom and phrases, antonyms.
Synonym.
Then after, okay, synonyms.
Preposition.
Prepositions.
Correct tense.
Okay, correct tense. These are under English, right?
Under English, yes. For maths, For maths.
Okay, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, I am out of state. That means I am from East Bengal. That's why.
Okay, not an issue.
Okay.
Next, Dorothy, can you tell us what we have to cover under maths? For latecomers, please note it down. Switch on your video and tell me what you have written. Dorothy. Nikita, what? Introduce yourself and switch on your video and tell me what we have to cover for maths.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. For maths, you have to cover percentage. Number 1 is percentage. Number 2 is ratio and proportions. Number 3 is average. Number 4 is profit and loss. Number 5, work time, distance, and speed. Number 6, probability. Number 7, number system. And number 8, simplification.
So, percentage.
I'm sorry, I didn't get it.
Percentage.
Miss, I didn't get a single word what she said.
Percentage.
Yes.
Ratio and proportion.
Ratio and proportion.
Average.
Okay, ma'am.
Profit and loss.
Profit and loss.
Yes.
Work time, distance, and speed.
Okay.
Probability.
Okay. Done.
Number system and simplification.
Okay. And these are only for under maths, right?
Maths.
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
From reasoning onwards, so you have written.
Yeah.
Yes.
So who have joined for today's class, I hope now the syllabus is very much clear to everyone, right?
Yes, miss. Yes,
Ma'am,
miss.
ma'am, one more,
Thank you.
ma'am, one more thing, ma'am, one more thing.
Yes, yes,
Ma'am,
please,
ma'am,
please.
ma'am,
clarify.
ma'am, there in series, Assam geography, Assam literature, Assam polity, these things I haven't understood.
You will get some questions from GK, you will get some questions from Assam history, you will get some questions for Assam polity, Assam geography, Assam literature, and current affairs.
Ma'am, if you don't mind, can I get your Instagram ID?
কি কৈছা?
Do we have
Yes,
to
in-
study very depth Assam history and Assam geography?
তোমালোকৰ-
Because it was vast.
Yes, yes. Actually, এই বাকিখিনি পৰীক্ষণৰ কাৰণে মানে মোৰ লগত মোক যিখিনি কৈছিলে অৰ্গেনাইজাৰ্ছে মোক কৈছে যে আপুনি ইংলিছ পৰ্চনটো আৰু গোটেই চিলেবাছটো কভাৰ কৰিব লাগে, বাকী তোমালোকৰ আৰু এজন ছাৰ যিজন আছে তেওঁ এইখিনি পৰ্চনৰ কাৰণে কি পঢ়িব লাগিব, কোনখন বুক পঢ়িব লাগিব, সেই ছাৰজনে কভাৰ কৰিব। মই তোমালোকক চিলেবাছটো গোটেইখিনি কৈ দিলো।
And ma'am, one thing more, may I know what will be the total marks of this examination?
টোটেল মাৰ্কছ তোমালোকক জনাই দিয়া হ'ব, গ্ৰুপটোতো আছে, জনাই দিয়া হ'ব ফাইনেল হোৱাৰ পিছত হ'ব।
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
ফাইনেল হোৱাৰ পিছত জনাই দিয়া হ'ব, কিন্তু এইটো ক্লিয়াৰ নাও, দিছ ইজ ভেৰি, আই হোপ দিছ ইজ ভেৰি মাছ ক্লিয়াৰ টু এভৰিৱান যে দিজ আৰ দ্য অনলি টপিকছ that
Yes,
you
yes.
have to study for your upcoming entrance exam. No need to study anything more than that. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. One question. Ma'am, numerical series won't be coming.
Whatever is there in the maths portion, only that is coming. Nothing more than that.
Ma'am, numerical series actually belongs from reasoning part.
So
So
under
it
reasoning
won't
part,
be
there is, I have not mentioned about numerical, right? So
yes,
definitely
ma'am.
it's coming.
Oh,
Whatever
okay.
I have mentioned, analogy, coding, decoding, series, direction, that direction, whatever I have
Okay,
given.
thank you,
that
ma'am.
much. Okay.
Can you please repeat again? I have joined late.
Oh. So first, actually, I have already done with the syllabus. So what I can do, I will discuss it again when I will finish the whole class, right? So let me continue. So definitely, whoever joined late, again I will again tell you the syllabus at the last. Okay?
Okay, sure.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, so good.
Because otherwise, others who have joined from 4 o'clock, they will feel bored, right? That they bore হৈ যাব because already দুবাৰ repeat হৈ গ'ল। Okay, fine. So please switch on your videos. It's important. Now I'm going to tell you. So my responsibility is for English, right? So first topic for English that is given in your syllabus is comprehension. তোমালোকৰ syllabusত দিয়া প্ৰথমটো topic হৈছে comprehension. So it's not possible for me to teach you the comprehension in this 1 hour class. But what I can tell, but what I can do, I can give you some strategy. I can give you some important strategy to solve comprehension passages. তোমালোকক মই কিছুমান strategy ক'ব পাৰিম আৰু যিবিলাক মই তোমালোকক share কৰিম তোমালোকৰ লগত as a material হিচাপে I will share with all of you as I will share one material with all of you that will cover your whole syllabus. I have prepared one material, right? That will cover everything. That will cover your syllabus. So, regarding comprehension, what are the important steps? There are basically 4 golden rules of comprehension. First is we have to read the comprehension. We have to read the passage as fast as possible. আমি যিমান সোনকালে পাৰো পেছেজটো পঢ়িব লাগিব আৰু comprehension শুদ্ধ কৰাৰ আটাইতকৈ ডাঙৰ ষ্ট্ৰেটেজিটোৱে হৈছে তোমালোকে যিমান বেছি comprehension practice কৰিবা. The more you practice, it will give you more confidence. So first golden rule. Please don't The first golden rule is read the passage as fast as possible. Pratiti, clear? Next is we have to get involved with the passage to understand it, right? Third is underline important lines or the part of the passage according to the questions. First, please have a careful reading, right? Fast, because the time is very less. Time is very less, so within that time you have to read the passage and you have to complete it. So we have to read it as fast as possible and according to the question. Then after first reading, then go through the questions. According to the questions, underline the important portion and try to solve it one by one, because it's these are for comprehension. The most important for the comprehension part is you have to practice more and more from the guidebook. So I can suggest you, there are a lot of guidebook available in the market. This is one of the guidebook that I can suggest you. It is from the Asians editions, law school entrance examination guides, but it is, I can't say that this is the only one available in the market. For universal publication from the Arihant publication, there is so many guidebook that is available for this BLLB entrance examination, and there are passage are also available. And in the passage, please be careful. Kisuman enekwa questions ahe je etu hoizel lage hitu hoizel lage, so that in that dilemma, what you have to choose the most appropriate one. In the passage, while reading the passage, while solving the questions, you might face that this may be correct or that may be correct, right? So what you have to do, we have to choose the appropriate one, and to choose the appropriate one, what you have to do, you have to practice more comprehension, more passage you have to practice, and the most important thing is you have to read the passage very, 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 very carefully. Clear?
Pardon, ma'am.
Yes.
Please, can you show the book one more time?
Yeah, sure. But it is not the only one, right? I cannot tell you that this is the perfect.
Ma'am, it's from Aryan publication, right?
No, it is from Asians publication, Asians. But Arihant publication is also good. Universal, True Man, Asians, everything is good. Right? Just you have to take one or more two guidebooks to guide you.
Ma'am, that means if we buy that book, Aryan book, then the syllabus will be provided already there, no?
Syllabus is whatever I have given. Syllabus that I have given, that you have to cover. Okay, fine. So next topic from your syllabus, English language syllabus is about idioms and phrases. Now, can anybody tell me, whoever is present in this class, Anurag, can you explain what is the difference between idioms and phrases? Idioms and phrases mazot ki difference ase? What is the difference? Can anybody tell me? Joanna, Nikita, Rishita? Camera to kuno on nokorilai. It's okay. But can anybody tell me? Tritideep, can anybody tell me?
Idiom has a figurative meaning and phrases have a literal meaning.
Okay. Okay. Anyone? Joanna?
Ma'am, idioms are basically.
Yes. Yes, continue.
Are some is a sentence, is a phrase basically, but phrases are some group of words. Idioms can is a group.
Yes. Okay. So both of you are correct. Okay. So again, I'm telling for every one of you that phrases are the group of words having a definite meaning, right? It has different types: noun phrases, adjective phrases. In the morning can be a phrase, right? But the idioms are the group of words which loses its literal meaning and does not have any types. For example, an arm and a leg. An arm and a leg. From this words, you cannot draw a literal meaning, right? So the meaning is that something that is very much expensive. An arm and a leg. Therefore, what I would like to say that the phrases are the group of words having a different meaning, but idioms are the group of words which loses its literal meaning. It does not have any types, but the phrases has types. Phrases or ki thake কিছুমান types থাকে আৰু phrase to পঢ়ি তুমি এটা literal meaning উলিয়াব পাৰা কিন্তু idioms বিলাকৰ পৰা আমি কোনো ধৰণৰ literal meaning idioms to পঢ়ি idioms বিলাকো কিছুমান group of words হয় যাৰ পৰা আমি কোনো ধৰণৰ literal meaning উলিয়াব নোৱাৰো যেনেকে an arm and a leg সেই বুলি ক'লে আমি কি বুজিব পাম leg আমি কি তাৰ meaning to totally different meaning to হৈছে something that is very much expensive, right? আৰু এটা terminology আছে সেইটো হৈছে clauses, right? So clauses are the part of the sentence which have subject as well as verb. So there are three terminology that I discussed. One is phrases, one is idioms, and one is clauses. So clauses are part of the sentence যাৰ কি থাকে যাৰ এটা subject আৰু এটা verb থাকে. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so phrases, idioms, and clauses.
Yes.
So in the material that I have prepared for you all, I have given you some important phrases as well as important idioms that you have to study for your upcoming examination. Clear?
Yeah. Ma'am, your voice is getting disturbed by others.
Hello, are you getting my voice?
Hello. Are you getting my voice?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So phrases, idioms, and clauses. So I have also prepared in the material that I will share it to you. I will share with you all that I have prepared some important phrases. I have given some important idioms that you have to study for. Here in my class, I have just discussed the general differences, the general meaning of these terms, phrases, idioms, as well as clauses. Again, I am repeating phrases. Clearly, you can draw a meaning. Idioms, you cannot draw a literal meaning. And the clauses are the part of the sentence which have subject as well as verb. But the phrases may not have or does not have the subject as well as the verb. Clauses have the subject plus verb. It is a part of a sentence.
You have
Clear?
hidden meanings.
Okay, so the next topic from your syllabus is preposition. For the preposition, what I have done, I have prepared Rishita, can you tell me some examples of prepositions? Joanna, Dorothy, Rishita, Deep.
Ma'am, in, on,
with, by,
under,
By, ago, after, before, during, for, since, throughout, to, until, up to, right? Am I correct? Rishita, মই ঠিকে কৈ আছো?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are some prepositions, right? So now I have prepared a chart. I have prepared a chart where I have given you that Dhritidip, can you show it to us? The chart that I have prepared. What is the use of the preposition at? What is the use of the preposition by, in, on? Dhritidip, can you show it to us? আমাক দেখাব পাৰিবা নেকি Dhritidip এবাৰ? কেনেকে মই prepare কৰিছো এবাৰ দেখাব। কোৱা, yes? দেখাব পাৰিবা? Okay, ঠিক আছে। Materials to পালে চাই ল'বা, হ'ব? Next topic from your syllabus is synonym and antonym. So, is there anyone who do not know what is synonym?
Ma'am, synonym means similar and antonym means opposite.
Opposite, fine. So in my material, what I have done, I have prepared some important synonym for your entrance. I have prepared a list of antonyms for your entrance. Synonyms, as we all know, can anybody in the class present can tell me what will be the synonym for the word ability? Ability শব্দটোৰ synonym কি হ'ব? Synonym মানে সমাৰ্থক, antonym মানে বিপৰীত শব্দ। এতিয়া synonym ability শব্দটোৰ synonym কি হ'ব? What will be the synonym for the word ability?
Ma'am, it can be capability.
Capability. Yeah.
Capability.
Yes. Next, can anybody tell me amicable? What will be the synonym? The word amicable.
Pleasantly, friendly.
Anxiety. Anxiety.
Ma'am, fear. Nervous.
Ma'am, it can be stressed, right?
Ma'am, worry.
Worry, yes. Now tell me, who tell us worry? Please introduce.
Ma'am, myself, Sahina Sultana.
Okay, Shahina, thank you. Etia, jodi questions ahe anxiety appropriate synonym. Tumaloge jikita koisa hegitu hoise. What others have already responded is almost correct, right? But the most important, the most appropriate one is anxiety. For anxiety is worry, care, concern, right? So you have to choose the most appropriate one. I have prepared the list. The important synonym I have prepared, important antonym also I have prepared. You can go through. Next, can anyone, whoever is attending my class, can tell me what will be the antonym? Antonym means বিপরীত শব্দ. Antonym, what will be the antonym for the word resident? Resident.
Refugee.
Ma'am, outsider.
Resident, non-resident. If যদি option of non-resident to থাকে, outsiders থাকে, refugee থাকে, জি থাকে, what will be the appropriate one? The non-resident. Next, can anybody tell me interference? Interference, the antonym, non-interference, yes. Can anybody tell me the antonym for the word blunt? B-L-U-N-T, blunt.
Sharp.
Sharp, yes. Anyone present can tell me what will be the antonym for the word calculate? Calculate.
Ma'am, something jumble or something.
Guess. Calculate, opposite is guess. So in likewise, I have also prepared, I have just discussed, right? So this, I have prepared the list. Important antonyms also I have prepared and I will share. Next topic from your syllabus is correct tense. So how many tense we have? Can anybody tell me? Amar kimanta tense ase?
3.
3.
Tense.
Simple present.
Future.
And future, right? But say under simple present, you have to study present continuous tense is structure, then example, present perfect continuous. Its uses is structure with examples. I have in the materials I have given, let's go through it. Next, under simple past also, you have to prepare past continuous, past perfect continuous. You have to study. For simple future also, you have to study future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. You have to know the structure of future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus shall oblique will plus have plus been plus v ing plus o. So in that way, you have to study the structure. Again, I am repeating the same thing. For tense, you have to know the structure, which example and uses, where you can use future perfect continuous tense, where you can use present perfect continuous tense or present perfect tense. Everything you have to know, right? I have given, so you will get it. So for the organizers, can you show the students the materials once? Organizers, kunubai materials kini tumalokar logot jitu moi share korisilu ever students kini তেওঁলোকৰ কনভিনিয়েন্টৰ কাৰণে দেখাই দিব পাৰিবা নেকি one by one যিখিনি মই কলো Nikita, Joanna, Dorothy, Sabina, Barnali.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Is it clear? Yes, yes.
Ma'am, ekini heri kini ki group of share kora hobo ne?
গ্ৰুপত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰা হ'ব হিয়তক জাস্ট এবাৰ তুমি স্ক্ৰিনখন জাস্ট দেখাই দিয়া জাস্ট মানে ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান টপিক দেখা ভিতৰত কি আছে দেখাব নালাগে জাস্ট এবাৰ স্ক্ৰিনখন যদি দেখাই দিলা হয় এটা আইডিয়া হ'ল হয় Any doubt regarding the syllabus and for the English part? Any doubt? Everyone, please let me know. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
আপুনি এবাৰ পাৰে যদি কিতাপখনৰ ফটোটো এবাৰ গ্ৰুপত পঠাই দিবচোন
মই তোমাক পঠাই দিম তুমি শেয়াৰ কৰি দিবা মই গ্ৰুপটোত নাই মোক লাগা হলে গ্ৰুপটোত এড কৰি দিবা
ওকে
And the latecomers, is there anyone who have not written the syllabus? Anyone?
Ma'am, send the syllabus on the group, both the groups.
Okay, very good, very good, very good.
Ma'am, there is a negative marking also.
No. There is no such negative marking. Actually, I am not in the group, so some students, whoever has missed my initial lectures, they have not written the syllabus. So I think some students have already shared it in the group. So please note it down from that copy. And this much you have to study for your English part. Again, I am repeating, for comprehension, as much practice that you can do, that will give you perfection. For idioms and phrases, first you have to know the difference between idioms. Again, I am telling, no literal meaning you can draw. From phrases you can draw, and the clauses is you will have it's a part of the sentence, and it is have a subject as well as verb. For preposition, we have long list of preposition, at, and, on, long list of preposition. But what you have to know the uses, right? You have to know the where you can use for the preposition at. Say for example, the preposition at, how it is used, right? Exact times. I'm giving some examples. Say for example, regarding time, exact time, at 3 p.m. Our class will start at 4 p.m. right? So for meal times also, at dinner, at lunch, part of the days, at shutdown. So for age also, I am at the age of 30, I am at the age of 21, I am at the age of 18. So for time, for meal times, for part of the day, for age. So this thing, for this, actually you have to know the uses. So in the chart that I have given, you will find with the example, you will also find the how it is used, right? So there is a long list of preposition that you have to know its uses. And regarding synonym and antonym, you have to choose the most appropriate one, because it is a multiple choice questions paper, right? So you have to choose the most appropriate one. So you may correct, but you may not be the 100%, you may not find out the 100% correct option. You have to find out, for to get the marks in the entrance examination, what you have to do, you have to touch the most appropriate meaning of that particular word. And regarding this, what I can tell regarding tenses, okay, as we all know, 3 tense, again it has sub parts, right? Perfect, continuous, present perfect continuous, future perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, right? So you have to know its uses as well as with examples, right? So you have to, again, what you have to do, you have to find out the most appropriate one. And regarding this regarding tenses, the most important thing is, say for example, কিছুমান এনেকুৱা sentence তোমালোকৰ example তোমালোকে class 10 বা 12 already পঢ়িছা, যে আগৰ পাৰ্টটো যদি simple present হয়, পিছৰ পাৰ্টটো কি হ'ব, right? So আগৰ পাৰ্টটো তোমালোকক দি দিছে, পিছৰ পাৰ্টটো তোমালোকক মানে ভাৰ্বটো কি কৰি দিছে, আমি হেৰি ৰাখি দিছো, gap ৰাখি দিছো, হেতু তোমালোকে appropriate one টো ভৰাব লাগে। So এই বস্তুটো ক্লিয়াৰ হ'ব লাগিব যে আগৰ পাৰ্টটো যদি simple present হৈছে, পিছৰ পাৰ্টটোত কি হ'ব, আগৰ পাৰ্টটো যদি present perfect continuous হৈছে, পিছৰ পাৰ্টটোত কি হ'ব, future perfect continuous হলে পিছৰ পাৰ্টটোত কি হ'ব। So এই যিটো sentence structure, এটো তোমালোকে খুব minutely জানিব লাগিব, because it's not your class 10 or 7 or 8 examination, right? It is your BA LLB entrance examination. So what you have to do, you have to know the proper structure of the sentence. If the first part is simple present, what will be the you can write in the next part. What if the first part is present perfect continuous, then how you will fill up the gap, right? How we will fill up the gap. So that you have to know. And what I have to given, the organizers will share the materials in the group. Organizers and some of have already shared the syllabus in the group. But again, what I will do, I will tell you the name of the book. I will share the pictures, front page of the guidebook that I have already shown in my class. And what I can do, what I can prefer you for this. So see what I can tell you. Basically আমি কি দেখা পাইছো ইংলিশৰ সিলেবাসত, গ্রামার, বেলেগ একো নাই। Main bostu what it is coming in your entrance examination, it is grammar, English grammar, right? So for English grammar, the another most important, aru ekhon khub important kitab tumaloke lobo para hore, ekhone amlok next piece to judiciary exam to hohai koribo, ekhon is Bakshi, BAKSHI, yes, Bakshi. So you can refer Bakshi's book on English grammar, that will also help you in your future for when you will go for judiciary. So Bakshi is a very, very important book that you can refer for your upcoming entrance examination, and that will help you later on when you will done with your 5 years course and we will appear for your judiciary exam. In judiciary exam, there also you will find some questions from your grammar portion. So in that grammar portion, for that grammar portion also, you can refer the Bakshi's book. So Bakshi is the most important book that you can refer for your upcoming entrance. You can refer any guidebook. I am sharing with the Asians one, but Universal, Truman's, Arihan, Asians, sobe bhal, sob kitabe bhal. তোমালোকৰ কাম হৈছে তাৰ পৰা more and more practice that you can do. মই তো just English খিনি মোক পঢ়াব দিছে, মই English 1 hour এটা overall idea দিলো, আৰু মোৰ syllabus to cover work মই এটা material ready কৰি দিলো each and topic এটা classত with syllabus discuss কৰাটো possible নহয় so মই ভাবিছো মই এটা overall idea তোমালোকক দিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছো so actually what I'm trying to give in this 1 hour class you all have whoever actually listening to me actually have a clear idea about the syllabus what you have to study for this upcoming exam number 1 and number 2 my responsibility was for English and for English I think you have at least 50% idea that you have received from my class and whenever you will get the material again it will be more clear to you and you can refer Bakshi book for your English grammar and any entrance examination guidebook that you can refer and from that guidebook please more you practice comprehension the more you will get 100% you will be more confident regarding your comprehension part so for comprehension more you practice you will be your perfection so just 5 minutes left anyone any doubt please let me know.
Just I have a question.
Yes.
That grammar book is suggest SP that is SP Bakshi, right? Or
Yeah,
only Bakshi?
Bakshi. Yes, SP Bakshi. I think so. Yeah.
SP Bakshi. And one more question: that in our entrance exam, the maximum marks will be come from grammar portion, right?
Maximum no. Whatever the question you will get it from English part. That will be from the topics that I have given only.
Okay.
And it is grammar only, nothing else.
Okay, ma'am. That's my only. Thank you.
Yeah. Nikita, Rishita, Dorothy, Joanna, Deepchana, everyone. Any doubt?
Ma'am, what's the negative marking?
No, there will be no negative marking. Any doubt? At least kiba idea hoise ne eku no idea no hol. At least something.
All clear.
Clear?
Yes,
ma'am exam at negative marking thakibo na negative marking
na thake
Ma'am, maximum marks.
jobar asile 1/4 negative marking asile jobar 1/4
Okay, ebar thakibo boli teleke decide hoa nai eta kam koriba tumaloke to group tut asai you all are in the group right
prospectus में तो लिखा है नेगेटिव मार्किंग होगा
negative marking thakibo moi okman doubt hoy goisilu negative marking thakibo 0.25
marking আছে এবারও আছে
will be negative marking yes 0.25 negative marking 0.25 so 4টা question ভুল হলে 1 mark কাটা যাব if your 4 questions will wrong then 1 mark they will deduct 1 mark right 0.25 mark will be deducted yes
And last thing that is left that's what's the total mark of the examination that
total marks actually let me confirm
100 total 100 mark hobo
right total mark 100 again I am repeating the same thing total mark 100 it will from the topics all questions you will get it from the topics that I have tell you as your syllabus 0.25 mark will be deducted for each wrong answers so is it I think it is clear to every one of us then there will be negative marking for this upcoming entrance examination 4টা question ভুল করিলে 1 mark কাটা যাব 0.25 mark they will deduct for each wrong answer right and 100 marks total any doubt total 100 marker question 0.25 ke deduct hobo 100 marks total marks is 100 0.25 marks for each wrong answer any doubt
So one thing.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay.
Ma'am, in synonyms and antonyms, ma'am, there are so many words, like thousands of words. Ma'am, it is not possible to see all the words. Ma'am, so can you give us some important words that like possibilities to come in our exam?
What's your good name? Can you introduce yourself?
Ma'am, Sahina Sultana.
Shahina, that I have prepared one material that I am telling na. In that material, I have given the most important ones for antonyms as well as for the synonyms, right?
We will get that list in our group.
You will get the materials from the organizers. I have already shared the materials with the organizers. I have already shared it. You can
Okay.
contact them. Huh?
Thank you.
Anyone, any doubt? Yes, Tritidev, মোৰ ফালৰ পৰা হৈ গৈছে মই যিখিনি ক'ব ভাবিছিলো সেইখিনি মই কৈছো don't know students খিনি benefit হ'ল নে নহল I hope students খিনি benefit অলপ হ'লেও হৈছে 10% 20% যিমান হওক 1 hour যিমানখিনি possibles I have tried my level best আৰু কিবা ডাউট থাকিলে definitely I'll be in touch
মেমলৈ ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো
yes
যদি কাৰো একো সুধিব নাই তেন্তে আমি আজি ক্লাছটো ইয়াতে সমাপ্ত কৰিব বিচাৰিছো আৰু কাইলৈ 7 বজাত পুনৰ বিনীত কুমাৰ দাস ছাৰৰ ক্লাছ হ'ব আৰু গতিকে এই সময়ত সকলোকে জয়েন কৰিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনাইছো আৰু মেমলৈ পুনৰবাৰ ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছো
okay thank you everyone and all the best to every one of you for your upcoming entrance examination all the best to every one of you okay
Thank you, ma'am.
okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, book
thank you everyone
Ma'am,
yes what
book to photo to pothabo ma'am.
group tour photo mane
Ma'am, book. He's trying to say book.
Apuni jonkon book.
oh yes sure so moi to group tut nai moi kunuba ejoner logot share kori dim tumalokok di dibo
Okay ma'am. Thank you.
oh thank you